With lot size calculator, you go to the browser, then search lot size calculator right here. When you search, there's going to be a lot of lot size calculator, and this lot size calculator, personally I use cashback for it because it gives me accurate lot size for my trade. So from here, where you have the instrument is the currency pair you're going to trade. Maybe you want to take a trade on GBP card. So this is the GBP card, and here is the stop loss. That is from the entry to the stop loss, the number of pips between them. You put it here. You can also change it to the stop loss. So let's say you know the stop loss, where you want to put your stop loss. You just put it right here. If you also want to put the pips, that is from the entry to the stop loss, you also put it here. Let's say our pips is 50 pips. Okay, and here is a value of a pip. Here is 1 pip. It is already there. You don't have to change this one. Anytime you want to buy the market or sell the market, this lot size calculator will give you the current price every time, so you don't have to write it here or change it. Okay, so here too is the money you are trading. You can change it to any currency you have registered your account in, and here is the balance. So let's say we have our balance to be $1,000. So that's your account balance, the money you have in your account. And here, that is the risk, how much you want to risk on this particular trade. So you can also change it to percentage. Maybe you want to risk 2% of your account. 2% to calculate for you, or you want to just type in the amount of money you want to risk. So let's say 2% of 1,000 is going to be $20. You want to risk $20 on this trade. Here it is going to, you don't have to change this one. You just click calculate, then it's going to give you the lot size.